Mosquitoes, what are they good for? Eh? No? Okay. Well, anyway, did you know that mosquitoes are not only here to suck blood? Many people think that mosquitoes are blood-sucking monsters and they're only here to create havoc. Well, I'm here to tell you that they do have a purpose. Did you know that there are 3,500 named species of mosquitoes, of which only a couple hundred bite or bother humans? Stated by Janet Fang on her website called Science. So, a lot of people don't know that they also can pollinate flowers. That's a very good reason for them to exist. Without pollination of flowers, they won't grow, And crops, for example, people eat a lot of crops, so mosquitoes are able to pollinate that too. Who can tell the difference between male and female mosquitoes? Anyone? Hand? No? No? Well, there is a huge difference between male and female mosquitoes. In fact, male mosquitoes, their main diet is nectar, plants, and female mosquitoes, their main diet consists of blood. So the reason they're able to pollinate is probably mostly the males because they really like the nectar and all that, but what I'm here to say is males do not bite humans because they do not require blood to survive. So next time you get bit, you should know that it's a female mosquito. So to tell a difference between male and female mosquitoes, there is a really, really, really good way of doing it. Many people do not know that you can tell between the gender is by their buzzing noise. So females typically like to make a high-pitched ee, while males, they make a very low-pitched ee, so next time you hear a mosquito and you hear ee, you better start running because you know that the female is coming to bite you. So, can we live without mosquitoes? A lot of people are very different. It's a very different topic. Some people say yes, some people say no, some people say, I don't like these mosquitoes. They don't need to be here. Fun fact, they actually can taste your skin with their legs. And then they look for a place to bite. That is quoted by Fiza Perani. Sorry, don't want to butcher her name. By Dayton Daily News. That's where it's posted. But back on the topic, can we live without them? Well, Dr. John Steierman, he's in the Department of Biology at Wright State University. He says it is likely if mosquitoes disappeared, a cascade of additional extinctions would take place among other animal and plant groups, and populations of other species would be diminished. So to answer that question, Dr. Steierman says, yeah, we can't live without them. Another thing that people are always asking, do mosquitoes create a good impact on the environment or a bad impact on the environment? Mosquitoes, their bad impact is that they're disease spreading and They create those awful bites that everybody itches at, and it spreads, and you're like, oh God, get this off of me. But they're also good for the environment because they pollinate plants, as I've said before. They're a great food source for many animals and other insects, and they help overpopulation. Sad truth, but they can stop overpopulation of humans, and that's just something they can do. It's sad but true. Well, anyway, I hope you all have learned a fact or two about mosquitoes. And next time you see a mosquito, hopefully you think, mosquitoes! What are they good for?